Hey, so if you want to create organized professional documentation for your team or projects, yeah, Confluence is one of the best tools you can use. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Confluence for documentation in 2026. First thing, create a space for your documentation. This keeps everything organized in one place. Next, plan your structure. So think of categories like guides, tutorials, FAQs, or policies. All right, start creating pages. Make main pages and subpages to organize your content clearly. Now use templates. Templates help you keep documentation consistent and professional. Next, write your content. So use headings, bullet points, and simple language for clarity. All right, add macros. You can include tables of contents, code blocks, or task lists. Now, connect your pages. Internal links make navigation easier for users. Next, collaborate. So, your team can comment and keep documentation updated. And yeah, use labels and search. This helps you quickly find any document. So that's how you use Confluence for documentation. Once set up properly, it becomes a powerful knowledge base.